You guys, we are going to LA. I am so excited. I haven't done a pack and prep with me in such a long time, and I don't know if I'm gonna explain why I'm going to LA in this video or if I'm just gonna blast it in my next video. I probably will tell you guys because it's for a very, very exciting event. I have so many appointments that I'm going to over this next week, and it's currently August 14th and I'm starting this early, so just know it's very serious around here. Today we're gonna get my hair done. I think I'm gonna do a butterfly haircut, and I'm just gonna get some nice gloss on top of my hair. I haven't got my hair done since my wedding in April, so it is about time that I get a little haircut and I get a gloss on my hair. My hair is also so dirty, so this appointment is very much so needed. Butterfly cut, it turned out so perfect. It's just what I wanted. Some really nice short layers, but also not so short to where I can't put them up, and a nice little simple blowout. All right, hair is done, and now we're ready for our next appointment for our very special trip to LA. Hi you guys, it's the next day and it is time for a facial. I typically come to the Wellness Club for chiropractic adjustments and acupuncture with Dr. Morgan Miller, but I heard the esthetician was really good, so I thought I would give her a try. And on Fridays they do $100 Oxygeneo facials, and in Tampa they are typically $285 elsewhere, so that is what I'm here for. I don't know if I'm gonna do the exfoliating one or the hydrating one. I might opt for a little bit of an exfoliation because I feel like that'll give me like a really good, like, clean base, but I'm really excited. I have been in talks with the esthetician here on Instagram and she seems amazing, so I'm very excited to see how my face is gonna look after. I'm still so obsessed with my hair from yesterday, and yes, I am wearing the same exact outfit as yesterday because I literally only wore it for like 2 hours, so you know what? I might be an outfit repeater, but I love my outfits and I think it's really cute and simple for today. Okay, let's go get this face fixed. I need a good facial. Went over my skin and kind of how it is, and she's so freaking sweet and her outfit is so cute, so I'm very excited to get a little facial by her. And I think we might add dermaplaning. I told her to just see if I had a lot of peach fuzz. She can totally do it. We're just gonna like test the waters with that and see if I need it. And there's this cute little basket right there for me to like change into and put all my stuff. It's so cute in here. That was by far the best facial I've ever got. She literally did extractions on the chest. She massaged. I'm gonna see her for wood therapy, which is like lymphatic drainage massage, and then also skin wave, which is a different machine and it's French based. I'm so excited. Her personality was phenomenal, and I come here, like I said, to see Morgan. She's one of my really good friends, and I just feel like this place is perfect. So if you're in Tampa, the Wellness Club, they literally do everything. They're amazing, and I feel so good. My skin looks amazing. We're in my car again, so you know we have another appointment. It's a few days later, and today I'm getting a brow lamination and tint from this girl that I met here on TikTok, and I am so excited. I haven't gotten one done in literally so long, and I don't remember if I really liked it or not, so we're here to try it again. This is what the eyebrows are looking like before. I literally haven't gotten them done at all, or even like touched / threaded since my wedding in April, so it's been a hot minute. So she's got a lot to work with, and I've got thick and coarse brows because I'm Middle Eastern, so I'm really hoping that they can be tamed somehow and look so much better and more put together. But let's go in and get these brows done. Guys, my camera just died, so I'm on my phone for the rest of this, but I'm sitting down. We just talked about what we want to do to my brows, and I'm so excited to get started. They're gonna look so much better than this. Dude, it was so bad. That's actually so crazy. I actually am so obsessed with my eyebrows. Obviously they look, to some people, I feel like they look great, but they look maybe a little harsh right now, and it's just because the tint is on there. She just tinted the ends of them just to match my black hair, and that'll die down over the next few days, but they look so freaking good. I've never had them done like this. Like when I got them done the first time last year, they did not look this good. So I decided to go back to her on Monday for a Korean lash lift and tint. I was booked somewhere else for Friday, but she offers the Korean one and it's literally the same price as the other, like the regular one. So I was like, girl, I'm coming back to you. All right, you guys, it's Monday and I'm back in the chair and we're doing the Korean lash lift and tint. I'm so excited. She's excited. So here we go. Let's see what these look like. Here's the before and I'll show you the after. Okay, here's the after. They look so good. They're so lifted, and then we cleaned up my brows with some concealer. She's very happy about the results. I'm so excited. They look so good. I love them so much. I feel like I'm gonna fly away with these on. I love them. Have everything kind of laid out for the trip. I've got a few nice outfits, 1, 2, 3, and then there's 4 under here, and then I just have 3 different pairs of shoes. I think that these golden gooses will be like my airport shoes, and then I have 2 bags. I've got some sandals and then some heels to go with some outfits. I've got a shopping day outfit, a few lounge outfits, my pajamas, 1 workout set. This has like my camera in it and like my adapter and stuff. And then I'm gonna put my portable chargers in there as well. I'll just go like in there, and I have a sweat set because I kind of always like get very cold inside the hotels. I have a mask to do the night before my special thing. And then I have, this is like my work tote. I love this thing so much. It's such good quality. And so I put like my computer on here. So this will be like my personal item on the airplane along with like my carry-on. So I will end up putting like my camera bag in here so it can like just be with me like the whole time. And then I do need to pack my makeup bag as well. And I just washed this, but it's so wrinkly from the dryer. It's just like my silk pillowcase, and then I have my eye mask in here because I literally cannot sleep on a bed without a silk pillowcase and an eye mask. I just need to pack like my work hat because although we're going for something for social media, we're gonna make a work trip out of it for like the first day. So I need to pack like my construction hat and my work boots, and then I need 1 work outfit. So I do need to get that. And then other than that, like I feel like I'm pretty much packed. I'm really not packing a lot so I can shop a lot, which you guys will see. Come here. And he literally, they know I'm leaving. Like they get so sad. It makes me so sad. Come here, come give mama hugs. Like they literally know like when I start packing that mama's about to be gone for a few days. It makes me like want to cry all the time. Like makes me so sad. I'm gonna miss you. You wanna come with me? I love you. We're basically only there for 3 nights, so I've got 1 extra dress, obviously, because you just never know how you're feeling, and then just some like lounge outfits, and then we're just shopping for 1 day, so that's why I have those shorts, and then that like white top just for the 1 shopping day. I do need to pack my UGG slippers to the hotel room because I literally also cannot walk around a hotel room without UGG slippers on. Like it just feels wrong. So really all that we have left is makeup bag and toiletries and then hair stuff and then a work outfit and then my work stuff as well, like my work accessories. And then I feel like we're basically done with packing and we just gotta like pack it all in the bag. It's travel day. I'm so freaking excited. I got a blowout this morning and I'm just finishing packing. I just did all the last minute things since we don't fly out till 7 p.m. tonight. Toiletries, skincare, makeup, all the things. It's all like laid out. We're gonna put it in the bag. And I'm gonna tell you why we're going to LA very soon, so stay tuned. last appointment. My nails, they're done. They look so good. I just went for kind of the nails that I did on my wedding day, which is like simple chrome French. I love them. And I am all packed. I'm ready to go. Headed out in a couple hours. Gonna do dinner before. Delilah's so sad I'm leaving, and I'm so sad I'm leaving her, but I can finally tell you guys where I'm going, unless you skip to the end of this video just to figure out where I'm going, which I don't blame you if you did. Obviously I'm going to LA. I keep saying where I'm going. You guys know where I'm going, but why I'm going to LA. I'm so excited. So I was invited by the YouTube LA headquarters, my hair's going crazy, to their headquarters in LA, which is crazy. Like when I got the email, I was literally shaking and I was freaking out. And Fenty Beauty's there hosting an event as well. It's crazy that this is my life and that everything I've worked so hard for, and not even just that, like just like sharing my life has like led me to this moment. It's something I love. I love filming. I love everything about it. And so the fact that like this is happening is crazy. I got the email a little over a month ago, like a month and a half ago, and immediately was like, I will be flying in for this. Like I would not miss this for the world. So I'm very excited. There's a bunch of stuff going to be going on at the event. There's a whole timeline that they have, exclusive launches. She's licking the camera. The makeup artists will be there from Fenty and all the things. And I am doing one full vlog of the event, and it will be my very next video. So you guys get to see the whole event, the whole day, me getting ready that morning, all the things. So that's why I'm going to LA. I'm going to visit the YouTube headquarters. They know me, that's crazy. And Fenty Beauty. And it's a small and exclusive event. I don't know what small means in the influencer world, right? It could be like 100 people, but they kept emailing me. They really want to be there. And I just like over the moon about it. I'm stoked. So I got a Dutch rose to celebrate, and I'm taking my mom with me. I don't know if I have a +1 to the event. I asked a few times and I haven't heard back, but either way my mom is going with me. We're gonna work for my regular job with her for the first day that we're there, and then the last 2 we're gonna shop, and then we're gonna go to the event, and it's gonna be so much fun. So taking a little girls trip out of it, and I'm pumped. There's gonna be so much content across all my social media platforms, so stay tuned. I have a really amazing way now to streamline content that my sister-in-law created for me. Well, with me, for her, for us, and it's really cool and really exciting that you can kind of plan a little bit better now and give you guys like the quality content that you deserve. So that's about it. Yep. I just think it's crazy that I'm literally going to the YouTube LA headquarters. I know it's like one of their many headquarters, but like it's cool that it's in Los Angeles because I love visiting LA. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm just excited. This is like the biggest blessing ever, and I'm excited to see like what other doors that going to this opens, and just meeting people. And thank you to all of you for always supporting me, even though I took a long hiatus this beginning of this year, and I wouldn't be here without all of you. So thank you for the love, the support, because if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be able to have a platform to even attend things like this. And it's just like a huge dream. So I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be the vlog of the event. So stay tuned. It's gonna be so exciting. I know this is an extra video. So I love you guys, and I am going to LA to see Fenty Beauty at the LA headquarters. So I'll see you there. All right, I'm geeking out. Bye guys. Sissy, can you believe it? It's crazy.